Hello guys, as you know that you are talking to Mpumeleli Zimba all the way from True Lemons Records. Guys, today I'm back with another video. In this video guys, I want to show you how to create an art, and a music art or an album art. And yeah guys, I just want to show you how to create an art using PhotoPad by NCH software, and I'm using PhotoPad guys version 4.03. Okay guys, and okay, the first thing, let's first look to this part guys. So the size of the photo is 223 times 708 pixels. Okay, excuse me. So let's go straight to home. Now guys, I want photo. I have photo, and I have downloaded this photo guys. I downloaded this photo guys, and I want to create an art using this photo. So the first thing we'll do is to go to, then I want to create, this is Tupac guys rappers, as you know. I want to create an art for, I don't want Tupac guys. I love Tupac, and this is the writing. Okay, this is the font. Font style I just choose, but I don't like it. I would like to use Lucande handwriting. Like we have many writing. Choose type font, but I would like to use, yes, this. I don't like it either. This one, no, I still don't like it. Which is, no, I don't like it. Let's keep on looking guys. Oh, whoa, which font is perfect? This one, perfect. Okay, this ad look perfect guys. Go straight here down and go, and this which uses to 10 the text. So it did 10 the text, then you can up, this, I move the text, and sometimes you can just make sure like this. So this to like to be, I like it when to in the corner, in that corner. Then guys, as you know, as you can see, which Tupac is wearing is red. So I would also like to make my text to be red. Click, go to it. Is either want strong red, but I don't want strong red because the bandana is not strong red. Do you see those stupid red colors? This is similar to the bandana. Then okay, you can see it have the Tupac it didn't change because of this box. So you can click here, will be there. Okay guys, the reason Tupac didn't change, we didn't select. We have Tupac to select. We can check that color guys. No, okay, I just can, yeah. Okay guys, yeah. But I would like Tupac to have something like a shadow after Tupac. I don't want Tupac to be like this. I would like to be, I like a shadow after Tupac. So you go straight here to shadow. After clicking a shadow, you can see your shadow is very clear. I don't want my shadow to be clear. I want my shadow to be dusty or to be soft. I have to move this and move it to that side to make it dusty. Or yes, let's move it. This is what I want, guys. I want my Tupac to be dusty or to be very soft. My shadow, this is great. So now, guys, we also have this button. So this button will tell us that we want our Tupac to be near the word, near this text, or we want our Tupac shadow to be far away. When we put it, will be very far away, guys. But I don't like it when Tupac is far away. I like it Tupac when it's close. Just click Control Z to do what it just did. So now we can we want this to be will be great. Okay, let's use this color. Yeah, it's great. Yeah, but to make it more soft, if we use this color, yeah, good. So okay, this color is like I don't like. I'm sorry, I'm real building. Okay, yes, much better. Okay, yeah, much better, guys. So I want my Tupac. Okay, yeah, Tupac is great. The word is great. The text is great. I like it, but I want to make my Tupac to be bloody. Do you see? Do you see the color of the blood? I want my Tupac to be exactly like that. Do inner glow. We want the outer. Understand? Then we'll say more. Then which okay, outer glow. Okay, help us to make our Tupac to be more to be great. I really can't explain, but our Tupac to be great, as you can see now, it seems more great. Then, guys, we can also do what we okay. We can also to be greenish. I like it when it's as you can see here. This color is like cream. You can see this current color is like cream. Then I change it from cream light green. So now I go here, guys. This help me to be bloody, as I said, to be bloody. So Tupac, as you know, Tupac is this gangster rapper. So we make our Tupac to be bloody. You go to more. Okay. Yeah, it's great. Okay, no. Let's go back a bit. Yeah, I like it when it look like this. Our Tupac is more bloody. So now, guys, what else we can add? Then we can go to capacity. Now, you want our Tupac to be clear like this, or you want our Tupac to be not very clear. Mm, decrease this, call it an opacity. No, I really don't like it. I like it when my Tupac is very clear, guys. I really like it, my Tupac when it's very, very clear. For me, I like it when my Tupac is very clear. Right? When you want your Tupac, make a Tupac to be. Then, guys, I think we are done with editing Tupac. Then, guys, our next focus is putting the name of the song or the name of the album. Okay, which album can we use? Tag Life, Kill Illuminati, Tupac Castle. We have Me Against the World, All Eyes on Me, CD1, All Eyes on Me, CD2, All Eyes on Me, CD1, Life Goes On. I like that song. All Eyes on Me, CD1, All Eyes on Me, or let's use Dear Mama from Me Against the World. No, let's just use Tag Life. Tag Life is one of the album by Tupac. Now we are making an and official art and album art. We're not making an album art. I'd like to change the text. I'll go down 35. Okay, put it here, then you drop this line. Nice. Let's make it around 65. Now it's touching the okay. 65. No, 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 no. That's a no. Then let's say 55. Much better, much better. But now, tag life must be bold. Bold? No, no. I don't want like it when italics. So, what can we add from? Okay, now, guys, as you can see, this is tag life. Now, I want my tag life to have a background. I don't want my tag life to be like Tupac, to be clear on top of the white background. I want my tag life to have some brownish background or some reddish background or some blackish background, and change. If I make it blackish, I will have to change the color of the name white. So you can click to background color. Then it's time now to decide. It's time now to decide which color is right. I want my Tupac to have a okay, let's say reddish background. Yeah, this color. Okay. See, so now we can outside till it become, and here must be okay. I really like this art, but I will like it more when I decrease the size around 50. Bit down. Perfect. This guys is perfect. I love this. I like it. Title life. Now guys, what next? Okay, guys, some of us will like to the first word to be red, to be green, purple, orange, greenish, brown, yellow. Okay, let's try that. I like it. Life is like this. Let's try it. Let's try to make those to make those weird too. Because guys, to be honest with you, you can't say write T and make T to be red, then you put T, then you again you go to text, then you write H, then you make H to be its own color. No guys, that's a very long process. Go to this, you can click here, quickly kill, so T will be gone. You can do the same thing again, click here, click here again, okay, now I can tag it and see is it will, I will love it or not. Background, nothing just happened. Nothing just happened, guys. Okay, let's just leave it. If nothing is happening, let's just leave it. Or it's still loading, I really don't know why. Okay, never mind. Now guys, we want to put an anniversary that thing like a barcode. Let's put it here. But that thing, guys, you have to register your photo in order to get it. But we will steal us. But we will steal it, guys. So we'll steal it in this photo. Nothing's being displayed, guys. close 85. Then the four. Boom. This one. Now guys want to steal this barcode. How can we steal this barcode? We'll call the barcode an adversary, but guys, whatever you call it, I don't care. So when you steal this, as I told you guys, you have to register in order to get it. You protect guys, you don't just edit the picture then you put it to your song or to an album art. You have to register, protect your own picture. Those even what I so since I'm just to this is not an official art of Tupac, not like an real official art of Tupac. Control V. So this is then yeah. uh, then we put it on the corner. Then guys, we can decrease the opacity of the light of this so that it not be very it looks great guys. Let's increase a little bit. You can this thing you don't need. And guys, as you can see, is Tupac tag life and that adversary. So guys, you can download that barcode. It's free to download that. You can write adversary code or barcode and download the picture with the highest resolution. But guys, I just stole it because I didn't get time to download it. So what else now? Okay, this guys, you can see this picture is great. I love it. It's just great, very great. But what else we can add now in this picture is I would like my picture to be brownie. So apply the effect to the current overlay image. That means only in this image, or you can apply this effect to the entire image. We want to apply this to the entire just to this image. Now guys, you can see the moment we take this line, we put it up, the picture will tend to be white, or will be very white. And when we turn it to this corner, it will be the opposite. So guys, let's do this. It is white, as you can, and the effect apply into the entire image. And I don't like this side guys is brown or black, very black, and I still don't like it. But guys, okay, this is the equator. Let's call that equator. This is an equator, but let's move it to slide this side, change the color to be same that nothing happened. You see it becoming good. I like it guys. I really like it guys. This is perfect. Now guys, Tupac is wearing a red bandana. A red bandana. What else we can do now guys? We can try to make the entire image to be reddish. But how? Can we add this? Think so guys. I don't think so. We can add this. Oh, that's okay. I'm using the demo non-commercial home use only. I'm using a demo guys. So this is what I want to use, a red wood. Even the red wood. Okay guys, let's just leave it like this. My effects are enough. If you're using them, it give you how many effects you can use. You can exceed the setting effects. So guys, if I was given an opportunity to create an official Art of Tag Life, and the guy who created this cartoon gave me this cartoon, I will create a picture like this, guys, an exact picture like this. As you can see, this picture is pretty great. Tupac, we made Tupac to be sexy, more cute. Then we just stole this and we make it to look like an original. You can see this is even perfect. No one can say no, guys, just stole this. No, this is perfect. Then you can see tag life. This, guys, is how we create a picture. This is how we create a picture, guys. I don't know how I can say this. Thanks a lot, guys, for watching, guys. Please watch, please watch my next video. I am Pumeleli Zimba, guys. You can follow me at Facebook at True Levens Records, or you can also follow me, guys, at Facebook at Pumeleli Zimba, Instagram at True Levens Records. I just created my Instagram yesterday. My Instagram account is just fucked up. I just created the account yesterday. Then you can also follow me, guys, at Twitter at True Levens Rec. So in other accounts, guys, I'm using True Lemons Records Clear, True Lemons Records. Just try True Lemons Records and True Lemons Rec or True Lemons Rec. Okay, guys, I think now I am done because PhotoPad won't allow me to use any other effects. So, guys, allow me to say thank you a lot for watching. Thank you a lot, guys, for watching. I thank you guys for spending your 25 minutes in this video. Mega love for you all, guys.